Good morning. The topic that we are going to cover today is calculation of mode in continuous series. In continuous series also calculation of mode is done by two methods, inspection method and grouping method, but after applying these two methods we will find out the value of mode by this formula, that is Z equal to L1 plus F1 minus FO upon 2F1 minus FO minus F2 into I. So let us see how this. See here in this question what is given. Class interval is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and frequency is given 2, 5, 7, 5 and 2. So we will write it as it is. By observing this class interval and frequency, we came to know that in class interval 20 to 30 maximum frequency is there, means 7 is the maximum frequency. So 7 will become our F1. Okay, and pre-model value means FO. The previous frequency will become, means 5 will become FO, and after that the next, as after 7 the next frequency will become F2. So now we have the F1, F0 and F2. So we will put these values here on the formula. Class interval we will take 20 to 30 because in class interval 20 to 30 only maximum frequencies are there. So L1 will, lower limit is 20, so L1 is 20 plus F1 is 7 minus FO is 5 upon 2 into 7 minus 5 into 10. Thus we will know, this way we will calculate the mode. Okay. Now see this next question. Calculate the mode of the following series. Here class interval is given and frequency is there. So we will write class interval in first column, frequency in the second column. Here we will write first. In the second row what we will write? Second row we will add the frequencies of first and second class interval. This is first and second frequencies of first and second class interval. In third column we will add the frequencies of second and third, means second and third frequency we will write, and so on we will add continuing. In fourth column what? Fourth, fifth and sixth frequencies of 3 class intervals we are adding, means frequency of first, second and third we are adding here in the fourth column. Fourth row means here first frequency of 1, 2 plus 3 we are here adding, and so on in next. And in fifth, second, third and fourth, means frequencies of class interval of 2, 3 and 4 here we are adding, means frequency at 2 plus 10 plus 4. And in the fourth column we are adding frequencies of class interval 3, 4 and 5. Now after making this grouping table we will make one analysis table on the basis of this table. How? These columns, class interval we will leave. These columns, 6 columns we had made, grouping we had done on the basis of these 6 columns, so we will write here 6 columns. Next here we will write the frequencies 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15 frequencies we will write, means this we will write here and this one we will write here. Okay, now how we will take this analysis table? In first column what we see, the highest frequency is 10 and 10, 2 times 10 is coming here. So this 10 lies in the class interval 10 to 15. So here 10 to 15 class interval, in first column we will tick. Another 10 is coming in 20 to 25. So again in the first column we will tick here. Now we will see the second row. Highest frequency is what? Highest frequency is our 19. 19, it lies in 20 to 23, 25 and 25 to 30. So in second, 20 to 25 and 25 to 30 we will take here. Again in the third row, 14 is the highest frequency. This is coming in which rows? It is coming in class interval 15 to 20 and 20 to 25. So 15 to 20 and 20 to 25, and this way we will complete. Here the highest frequency is 23. So 23, it is coming in 15 to 20, 20 to 25 and 25 to 30. So we will tick here this way. Here is the highest frequency in fifth row, 21. 21 is coming in the class interval these three. So we will tick here. So this way we will make the analysis table and we do the total of these ticks. The maximum tick will become our model value, means 20 to 25 class interval. 20 to 25 class interval where frequency is 10 will become our model, means class interval we will take 20 to 25, F1 we will take 10. So F0 will become 4 and F2 will become 9. After getting this value, we will apply these values here on the formula. Okay, here see, Z equal to lowest class limit is 20 plus 10 minus 4 upon 20 minus 4 minus 9 into 5. 20 is what? 20 is 2 into F1. So F1 is our 10. So 2 into 10, 20 minus 4 minus 9. This way we will get the value.